guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be making bouncy planets. The things you're going to be needing is a bowl. Well, you don't exactly need scissors, but yeah. A bowl making mold, some ball making glow-in-the-dark ball powder, and a ball making normal powder. And some hot water. So first, you need to put the ball making powder in. Make sure you fill it to the rim. So as you can see, I filled it with the powder. I left a little bit space to put in the green powder. It's glow in the dark. You can put only glow in the dark. As you can see, I've got this, but I've explained it. Do not fill this all the way to the rim, or else your ball will not bounce well. Now get the hot water that I've mentioned before and pour it until the container is, although it's the water is above the container. After you've done that, please let the mold stay in the water for 10 minutes. Now 10 minutes have passed. Now you're ready to take off your mold. And don't forget to put it in cover it fully with a tissue paper or something. And let 10 more minutes pass, so then it could dry. Hi guys, from the past 10 minutes I've been waiting, and now it's the time to reveal our ball. At first it might feel a bit wet, so then you can let it dry for a few more minutes. That's okay. Yes, even mine feels a bit sticky, so I'm going to let it dry for a few more minutes, so then it can be fully dry. So guys, my ball is ready. So as you can see, it's going to look something like this. And then you can slowly take it out. I'm not going to take it out yet. And there's a tip. It's good to keep your balls in a plastic bag so then they don't dry out. Thank you for watching. Bye, and see you next time for our next experiment.